Friends, good morning. Today I will teach you MySQL. MySQL. The chapters already before I will teach before I will teach all the concept. What is SQL? That is a common concepts. All the things I will teach you that. Okay, that is how the MySQL after step installation. That is a installations. That is a installations as a step by step you can process. Step by step you can process. That process, how do them? This is a open source software. Open source software. So this how to install. That is a in your system is there means you can open the XAMPP. That is what is this? XAMPP. That is one software is there. That software you can download, then install in proper in your book. What and all step is there? Just you can follow that. Just you can try out. Okay. Okay, good. See, that is it. Today I will teach you database. Now only I will start in the chapter. Now only I will start in the chapters. The chapters SQL. That is a MySQL. So the MySQL software means nothing. Just already I told that is a database, table, row, columns. These all the things you should understand means this chapter is over. Database means what? The collection of tables. The collection of tables. Table means what? The collection of datas. This is a table, no? This is a table. This is a table. This is a table. This is a table heading. Okay. Table heading means student's name. Then ID. Then what is this? Subject. That is a personal details. Email. Next what is this? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a records. Okay. Okay, good. See, this is a tables. The database having many tables. The database having the many tables. Sir, what is row? This is called to row. The horizontal series of cells is called to rows. Row is many names I told already. Again I can revise. Row, it is called records, tuples. So many names there. Okay, next column, what is this? Column means this is a column. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, then fifth column. This is a column name. This is a column name. This is a vertical series of called columns. Okay, this is a column or field or attributes So many names having. So these and all. Before I will teach you general concept, each and everything before I will teach you. Again you can open your book and recall. Okay, again your book you can recall. Okay, good students. So now I will teach you these and all. Okay, now I will teach you these and all I will teach you. That is each and everything today I will teach you. So listen and carefully. Okay, okay, good. See, the types of database, the software tool is there. The software tool is there. Just an intro I will give you. See, listen to carefully. That is a database. If you many database having, that is a PHP admin, my admin on database. This database web application oriented or web administration web administration Okay, next two types of, this is a popular of database software tool. That is a softwares. PHP My Admin. It is a one of the popular of database. So next what does this means? MySQL. MySQL Workbench. Workbench. This is a desktop application. Desktop application. So these and all, it is a popular of the database. The third one is, that is again, this is next one, Heidi SQL. These also applications, desktop application. So these two application, desktop application, this is, what is this? Web application or web administration work. Okay, this is called to database. That is a open source database is there. This is a popular one. This is a, this also popular one. That is a working bench is a very popular of desktop application. This is a popular of web applications. So this is called to database types is there. Okay, database type is there. Okay, sir, first you can create the database. Create the database. How to create the database? That is a major parts. The major three parts is there in database. In database. Sir, what and all is there, sir? That is a tables. Tables is there, important one. Next, query is there. What is queries? Already I told. Queries means that is a question. Table means what? That is a many table you can create. That is a, what is this? A collection of rows and columns. The collection of rows and columns. Okay, there is a multiple rows, then multiple column is there. Row is record, then column is already told, no, there is a column means attributes or field. So these and all is a major part. So what is query? Query is question. Sir, what question means? Nothing. One table, for example, personal details is there. Okay, for example, personal details is there. For example, 12th C students. So one table you can create it in database. Okay, particularly one student's record you want means just you can question raised. Question raised, how to write? Select, that is your Suman record only you want means select Suman record in the table name in database name. Just you can enter means that is that particular record details only will display in your monitor. That is the query. That is a views means what? That is a views. Why views means what? That is a recover and seeing the user. Recover and seeing the user. Set of queries. Okay. Set of queries you can store. Set of queries store. So that is called to views. Okay, that is called to views. So very carefully you can see this lessons, very carefully you can listen. Okay, this is a creating in the database in the MySQL software. So this major three parts, tables, queries and views is very, very important, this concept. So this is a nothing, just I will see, listen to me. Okay students, first one table how to create, one database first how to create means open your MySQL query, then angle bracket, create database in student, then semicolon finished. Students and semicolon finished. Now what database create? Create database. The database name what? Student. Now you can create means query is, next step what is this? Query is okay. The database created. The database created. Okay, now this database, how to use that means my SQL angular bracket use students semicolon finish means now student database opened. Now you can used database changed. So database changed. Now you what is this database open. Now if a database open means after that what is this? One table you can created, one record you can inserted, one record deleted. This process also will do it. Okay sir. My SQL next query I will write my SQL angular bracket show database. So database semicolon. So semicolon is important. Semicolon is the query if you write means each and every step you can semicolon is important. Okay, good students. Now you can show database means what? Your computer what and all database is there, all the database you can list out. For example, already a student's database created a student on database is coming. Employee already this database is there means this also you display. Next what the sports database is there means sports database you can develop. School means school database you can open. Or Tamil Nadu one database is there means Tamil Nadu database also you can display. So this query you can type an enter key press means so your system how many database you can created in the user, all the database list out you can open. Display is not open, just you can display. Show means what? You can display alone. Okay, so this is a database shows in the database. Okay, thank you students. Now you can what to do, just you can already you know that create table, then what is this? Create column, create rows. How will you use just you can intro to the SQL. Okay, SQL command I will teach you. So just I will teach you listen about that is SQL already I will teach you about what and all I teaching means the MySQL it is a standard language in the database. Standard language in the database. Standard language in the database. So this is a standard database. Okay, good. Next that is a what and all is there means the few major function is there. The few major function is a SQL function is there. That function what does it means? Execute the query. What is execute the query? Execute means what? Already I told. One record, you particular record you want means just to enter the query and enter key press means that's show the records. That is the execute. Execute the query. Next what is this? Retrieve. What is a retrieve? Retrieve means what? That is already what is it? Retrieve the data from database. Okay. Next insert. Sir, one new student's admission sir. How to details you can enter. That is the insert command. Insert functions. The insert function you can using all the informations you can gather the students after you can insert in the table. That is the insert function. Next what is this? Delete function. Delete function what is the use? Delete means one students if you in between you can TC sir. That is that person you can delete it in the table or database. Okay, sir, what is a table or database? Database inside only table is there. Okay, are you understand or not? Okay, this is a database. The database inside only many table is there. Many table is there. Many table is there. Here also one table. So many table is there. This is a database, student database. This is a table 1, 10th table. This is a 11th table. This is a 9th table. So this is a database. Okay, that is a deleting option also you can create. Okay, that is what is the next one. New database also created. New database means what? This is a student, no. This is a whole database. One more database also created. This is a school common name. School database. School database inside student database is there. So these and all function is there. Create new database. So these all the functions will do it in MySQL. So today I will teach you, that is each and everything I will teach you. Listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, good. See, this is, I will teach you, that is a types of SQL commands. That is a types of SQL commands. The different SQL command is there. Types of SQL commands. SQL means MySQL. Okay, shortly I will teach you. Okay, various function is there. SQL command classification of five major categories there. Five major categories there. So types of SQL commands, that is a five major categories there. That each and everything I will teach you. Listen carefully. DDL. What is this? DDL. Next one, DML. Next one, DQL. Then fourth one, TCL. Then fifth one, TCL. This is a major categories of the types of SQL commands. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language. Next one, data DML means data manipulation language. DQL means data query language. Query language. Then DCL means, that is a transaction control language. Control language. Next one, data control language. Data control language. So these and all types of SQL commands, the five major components there. The DTL, DML, that is a DQL, DCL, DCL. That each and everything will do it. Some specific functions will do it. So these and all I will teach you next class. So these all the five categories finished means the chapter is over. Okay. Please students, just to take your books, just 10 minutes you can read. 10 minutes. Just you can, what and all is there. Just to open your book and see it. Regularly you can open your book and see. Okay. Thank you students.